You enjoy ultimate comfort even in difficult spaces, dramatically reducing your engine costs.
What you doing, brother?
Not a fucking thing.
Hey, we're getting her done. Alright, as you can see, engine is out of the race 10, aka bipolar. Because he's fucking bipolar. Glenn is currently putting the starter on and hopefully not cross-threading. I like the looks on his face. Looks good to me.
Really?
I don't know, I can't see shit. Oh, it ain't tight.
It's tight.
You gotta put a shim in there.
Yeah. I didn't see any shims that fell off.
There wasn't any. I got some in the truck though.
Yeah, we'll have to have them.
And clutch is on. The Zill motor, I cracked the head on it, so should go good. But there's just a stock 350. Glenn, is that heavy?
That was heavy.
Jesus, you need to start working out. But stock 350, we're gonna have some fun with it. We're still gonna do burnouts, and I'm still gonna drag this guy's ass. Maybe we'll find out. It's gonna be a good race now, real good race. Last year, man, we had some good races. Well, not last year. Well, that was like 4 years ago. Yeah. Well, we're getting back. Stay tuned.
And send alerts to your phone. No cords, no hubs, no stress. Right? Simple security. They've been protecting homes for nearly 100 years. Choose Kiddo at the Home Depot. Now that's smart. Hey, it's Luke. You're happy.
Well, she's in. Yeah, buddy. Just hook up the transmission, the starter wires, front pulley system, and headers, exhaust, distributor. Timing. What do you think?
The rip-off.
Should be. Should be. Alright, new engine's all in. Running pretty decent. Gonna take it for a test drive. So start this hog up. Got enough in there? How much is in there? Oh, presses must be dead.
Yeah. Fucking crashed out.
How do you feel about that compressor? Oh man.
Oh man. Got a fat tire.
Oh shit.
Oh damn.
Yeah, man. Take it for a quick cruise here. You got that blown up yet?
No. Done fucking air pressure.
Jesus Christ. We still got a vacuum leak, which is probably the gasket on the carburetor. I'll have to change that. Other than that, not bad. I might have to redo the timing because things ain't just right, but we'll do that later on. At least we can drive it, take it for a ride. See what she does. Alright, probably ain't gonna be able to see shit, but we're gonna take it for a little cruise and get Glenn here to record, hopefully. You getting that? If you did?
Hold on to this.
Just cruise. little bit more. Holy fuck. Yeah, I like that better, Glenn.
That works better.
Now we just gotta fix these steer wheel.
Yeah, I was more worried about running on.
Oh, yeah. Spin a little bit right there. Oh, that's third gear.
Yeah?
Our tires are falling around.
Yeah, the tires aren't fault. It is raining.
Oh, man. That makes you feel better.
Just got that fucking advancing way.
Oh, yeah, it's so weird. I never had an advanced one that far.
Me either. That's fucked right up.
Do you think maybe someone put like a different cam in this thing?
That's what I'm wondering. I think they stepped the cam out.
It's the only way we have to advance it so much.
They got a different cam in it with a fucking. They probably advanced the cam itself.
Yeah, that's how you do it. Yeah.
Are they? Well, some cams you advance, some cams you numb it up. See, that RV cam I bought actually, you know, depending on what they was building it for.
Right, yeah. I really think that's probably what happened. Because I've never, in my whole life, I'm stock engine.
Yeah.
You should never have to advance it that far for something stock. I can't see a fucking thing.
I can't either. No, the car's coming at you. I see white line.
I'm like Ace Ventura here. Oh, now I can see. Oh yeah, well, this is much better.
Wait,
Yeah, it's fucking raining, now we can't race.
right. Not with you driving like that. Fuck that. You ain't hitting me.
Nah, I would too. Just like I almost hit Ryan that night.
Yeah.
Alright guys, this thing's going a lot better now. I haven't advanced the timer like insanely. I'm almost thinking that someone put a different cam in it and adjusted the timer to the cam. So, anyways, we're gonna bring that and the next video, me and Glenn's racing. And if you want to see that, subscribe. And let us know in the comments who do you think is gonna win. I can't see shit. I'm in the pitch.
Oh, did he? There's dickweeds.
Yeah, they suck.
They suck. They call the cops on us every
Okay,
time.
where's the driveway?
I don't know.
Here's another thing, guys.
Oh, there's a mailbox.
I got no wipers because they are fogged. Oh man, what's the matter?
Oh, I got a smile on your face.
Yeah. Let's see this sucker.
Take that sucker.
See that thing? You can't see, it's dark out. That's the Murder Carlo, and we're racing next weekend. Yeah, buddy. Finally.
Finally.
Oh yeah, it's gonna go down next weekend. Want to see this race? Subscribe. It's gonna be good stuff. Oh, we're gonna give you burnouts too.
Oh, yeah.